Hello lovelies, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we are in my bedroom. I am wanting to clean out my closet. Only my part of the closet though. My husband's, I'm leaving, he can do that one on his own. But as you can see, my closet is definitely stuffed to capacity, and most of these I don't even wear anymore. So hopefully I can find quite a bit in here to donate and whatnot. So if this is your first time here, I hope you will think about subscribing to my channel, and I hope you hit that like button down below. And with that, let's get into the video.
You know they want me but the sweet, sweet talking, pretty eyes, pretty lips. You know they told me you will fall too easily, but guess I like a quick fix. It's just not that I don't listen, it's just the way you're coming so close to me. It's just not that I don't feel the tension, it's just the way I want you to come closer. Go ahead, yeah, go ahead. Go and break my little heart, yeah, break my little. I don't care, no, I don't care. Either way I fall apart. You know they say that I should get out quickly, don't matter if I wanna stay. You know they talk about you when you're not here, but they don't even know your name. It's just not that I don't listen, it's just the way you're coming so close to me. It's just not that I don't feel the tension, it's just the way I want you to come closer. Go ahead, yeah, go ahead. Go and break my little heart, yeah, break my little. I don't care, no, I don't care. Either way I fall apart. Would you break my, 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 would you break my. You know they want me but you sweet, sweet talking. You know they told me you would fall too easily, but I guess I like a quick fix. Go ahead, yeah, go ahead. Go and break my little heart, yeah, break my little. I don't care, no, I don't care. Either way I fall apart. Would you break my, would you break my, would you break my, would you break my, break my, would you 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 break my, break my, would you break my. What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? Is it too late? Is it too late to color feelings that have faded? Complicated. I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love. I need no second chances, I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. I need you tonight and I don't wanna wait. I want you to show me the way.
so that is that done. I know it still looks like there's quite a few clothes in here, but I do have a problem parting with clothes, but at least I have them kind of color coordinated now.
Mommy!
So it does make it a little bit nicer for me to find my clothes. And now I will also show you what I will be donating. And then here is everything out of my closet that I no longer wear or haven't worn in like a while. So this is all stuff that I will be getting rid of. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I feel so much better now that my closet is all cleaned out and I can actually get the stuff in there. But I hope you give this video a big like if you did like it, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!